Hey guys, if you're a beginner in the field of accounts, then this lecture is definitely meant for you. A lot of people say that accountancy is very difficult. However, I'm here to clear your myth. If given the right direction, accountancy can change lives, just like mine. So let's not waste time and gear up for learning some basic concepts of accounting.
Do you ever wonder what's the basic system of accounting? Yes, it's the double entry system. This means for each business transaction, at least two accounts are affected. Thus, we debit and credit those two accounts as per the rules, depending upon the type of account. Relax, there are three types of accounts: the real account, the personal accounts, and the nominal accounts. Let's understand each of them and their rules of accounting. First is the real account. This account deals with assets of the business. That means any item of value for the business. For example, cash, furniture, stationery, etc. The rule for accounting says debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Let's understand this with the help of an example. Furniture worth Rs 5,000 purchased by cash. In this case, furniture is moving into the business and cash is moving out of the business. So we debit the furniture account and credit the cash account with Rs 5,000. Next is the personal account. This account deals with living persons or organizations in certain cases. For example, debtors, suppliers, customers, vendors, etc. The rule for accounting says debit the receiver and credit the giver. Let's see this with the help of an example. Ram paid Rs 10,000 to Shyam. In this case, Shyam is the receiver and Ram is the giver. So we debit the Shyam account and credit the Ram account with Rs 10,000. Last is the nominal account. This account deals with incomes and expenditures of a company that we need to calculate the final profit or loss. For example, salary, wages, interest, rent, etc. The rule for accounting says debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gains. Let's see this with the help of an example too. Salary of Rs 50,000 paid to employees by bank. In this case, salary is an expense for the company. So we debit the salary account with Rs 50,000 and credit the bank account. Let us now see what's the general accounting procedure that the companies follow. The accounting procedure starts with the preparation of journal entries. These are then posted to the respective ledger account. Thereafter, a trial balance is prepared. And from these balances, profit and loss account is created and final profit or loss is ascertained. After successful completion of the above process, the final balance sheet of the company is drafted. The syllabus for class 11 includes accounting for sole proprietorship business, in which a single person is the owner of the business. Further, accounting for partnerships and companies shall be discussed in class 12.
Hope you understood the basic rules of accounting. We'll discuss each of these in detail in our later sessions. For your queries, if any, feel free to mention in the comment box. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.